Veronica, do you have the very last question?
Yes.
Honor to the woman on stage.
Okay, very last. Okay, since this is the very last question, you may know that Unit City started with Unit Factory, the school where we study programming. As you may know, the model that we are studying by is self-learning and challenge-based learning. So since this is happening here, and there are a lot of schools using this system all over the world right now, do you think education will go in that direction moving forward, or do you think there will be something new in this sphere? How do you see the education sphere in the future, basically?
Yeah, first I think that when I walk into this unit city, I think it's very, very interesting experience. And it is a very innovative, when you put all the smart people together, challenge each other, learn from each other, help each other, and very important is comfort each other. To be entrepreneurs, we are all very lonely. We are all very lonely. Don't believe that the other people will make you warm and comfort. You have to warm and comfort yourself. So when you have a group of people like this, it is a great chance. And second, I think education, I have a lot of doubts for the current education system. I don't think with Jeka Ma's diploma today, with my experience, I can be accepted by most of the schools, universities, and big companies. I never read resumes when I interview people. I don't. Because I know if I give my resume, I will be rejected. Who you are?
You've been rejected several times.
I get used to be rejected. Entrepreneurs, we have to get used to be rejected. We have to get used to refused. To me, when I get rejected, I see, no, I know I'll be rejected. If I'm be accepted, it's wow, I'm accepted. I'm better than I thought. Why should people help you? Tell me. People help you. That's rare. People don't help you. That's very common. Right? Why should people help you? So we earn. We have to make our own way. So entrepreneurs, it's about the spirit. And I think you guys don't believe in there are so many experts. There's only expert of yesterday. There's no expert tomorrow. You are the expert of self. Learn. Trust the young people with your team. Don't make your dream. We have to dream big, but we have to start small. We have to be realistic. We have to think about how we can survive. When you survive, then you think about it bigger. So I hope that we have the fighting spirit, be rejected, be refused, and respect and appreciate, and be thankful for those people who help you. And if you're thankful, you will be lucky. Because it's the people that you helped that will help you. That's what I think, right? So don't worry about it. It's great and education. We need reform. Education should teach people more human. Education should teach people innovative, creative, constructive, that robots, AI can never do. And you guys, as entrepreneurs, we can do things the machine cannot do. Machine can do things like a professional manager, but we are entrepreneurs. That's what I think.
Jack, thank you very much.